Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So let's start with video. First, you have to open any of your favorite web browser. I will open the Google Chrome. Within this, just type vscode download and just press the enter key. Now you will get official website for Visual Studio Code. So just click on this. Now see here it is showing different download versions available. Here my operating system is Windows. So I'm going to select Windows operating system and just click here. Now see download is started. It will take a little bit of time. Now friends, file is downloaded here. So to start the installation, just double click on this file. Now here it is showing the license and agreement. So just select I accept the agreement and just click on next. Now here it is showing the path where VS Code will get installed. If you want, you can change the path, but I want to keep it as it is. So just I will click here on next button. Now here it is showing the start menu folder. So I want to give name as the Visual Studio Code as it is. So just I will click on next. Now if you want to create a desktop icon, you have to select the create a desktop icon and just click on next button. Now see it is showing setup file is ready to install. So just click on install button. Right now installation is in progress. So immediately if you want to launch the Visual Studio, you have to select this launch videos Visual Studio. Otherwise just you can click on finish button. And if you want to start the Visual Studio, then on desktop you will get this icon Visual Studio Code. And if you have not selected the option create the desktop icon, then here in search box you can type Visual Studio Code. Here you will get Visual Studio Code and you have to double click on it so that it will get opened. Okay, so in this way we have installed Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.